Hey there, welcome back to Smart Money Minute. Tax season is right around the corner, and let's face it, tax time doesn't have to be stressful. With a little bit of preparation, you can take control of your finances and even maximize your refund. In this video, I'll be walking you through the 7 essential money moves you should make before tax season to save big and set yourself up for financial success. If you've been putting it off, now's the time to get ahead and feel confident when April rolls around. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the first move, reassessing your tax withholdings. Now, you might think, I'll just let my withholdings stay the same and deal with it later. But trust me, if you've had any changes in your life, now is the perfect time to review your W-4 form. Have you recently gotten married, had a baby, changed jobs, or started a side hustle? These life changes can impact how much you should be withholding from your paycheck. If you're over withholding, you're essentially giving the IRS a no-interest loan for the entire year, only to get a refund later. If you're under withholding, you could be hit with a large tax bill at the end of the year. Take a few minutes to review your withholdings and adjust them if needed. It's an easy way to ensure you're not leaving money on the table or risking a surprise come tax time. Moving on to the next strategy, maxing out your retirement contributions. Contributing to a 401k or IRA before the year ends can help you lower your taxable income, which means you could be paying less in taxes. And as an added bonus, you're setting yourself up for a more secure future. For 2024, the contribution limit for a 401k is $22,500, $30,000 if you're 50 or older. And for an IRA, it's $6,500, $7,500 if you're 50 or older. If you haven't maxed out your contributions yet, now's the time to do it. And let's not forget about the employer match. If your employer offers a 401k match, you're leaving free money on the table if you're not contributing enough to get that match. Don't skip it. The more you contribute now, the more you'll have when you retire. For those of you with investments, here's an important tip: tax loss harvesting. If your investments have lost value this year, you can sell them at a loss to offset any capital gains you might have from other investments. This strategy can lower your taxable income, reducing the amount of tax you owe for the year. It's a great way to balance out gains and losses and keep more of your money. Just be careful about the wash sale rule. If you sell an asset at a loss, you cannot buy the same or a substantially identical asset within 30 days. But if done correctly, tax loss harvesting can be a powerful tool to save you money. Speaking of tax benefits, if you have a health savings account, or HSA, make sure you're taking full advantage of it. HSAs are a triple tax advantage. You get a deduction when you contribute, the money grows tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. For 2024, you can contribute up to $3,850 for individual coverage, or $7,750 for family coverage, plus an extra $1,000 in catch-up contributions if you're 55 or older. If you haven't maxed it out yet, consider contributing more before the year ends. Not only will it help reduce your taxable income, but you're also building a fund for future healthcare expenses. Organize your receipts and tax documents. Now let's talk about organization. Organizing your tax documents. One of the easiest ways to reduce stress during tax season is to stay on top of your receipts and important documents throughout the year. Start by gathering W-2 forms, 1099s, and any other income statements. Receipts for charitable donations, medical expenses, and business expenses, if applicable. Records of any retirement contributions you made throughout the year. The earlier you collect these, the easier it will be when it's time to file. Plus, if you're working with a tax professional, having everything organized will save both of you time and money. Donate to charity before year end. Another great way to lower your tax bill is by making charitable donations before the end of the year. The IRS allows you to deduct cash donations as well as donations of goods, like clothes, electronics, and furniture, if you itemize your deductions. Consider donating to any of your favorite charitable organizations or causes. It not only helps those in need but can also reduce your taxable income, making your tax bill a bit lighter. Just make sure to keep records of your donations, and if you donate goods, take photos and get an itemized receipt from the charity. Plan ahead for next year. Finally, let's talk about planning ahead for next year. One of the best ways to prepare for future tax seasons is to make small changes now that will set you up for success. For example, setting up automatic contributions to your 401k, IRA, or HSA can help you stay on track for next year's tax benefits. It's also a good idea to review your budget every few months to make sure you're saving enough and avoiding unnecessary spending. The more proactive you are, the easier tax season will be when it comes around next year. And that's a wrap. These are 7 essential money moves you can make before tax season to save big and reduce the stress that comes with filing your taxes. Whether you're maxing out your retirement contributions or organizing your receipts, each of these steps will set you up for success. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Smart Money Minute for more great advice on managing your finances. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's the first money move you'll make before tax season?